Have you ever wondered how you can hide your photos, videos, or any other file into your phone without using an application, any other complex system? Well, it is quite easy. I'm going to take it through. Let's see an example of a photo or video. Yes, well, for example, this one in this folder called pictures. Yes, we have a photo here and then a video here. So when you want to hide them away from this gallery so that no other person can see, you should create a folder in your file managers. You come to my files and you go to the folder where those files are. Yes, here we are found. You edit the initial to start with a full stop. Then you save. After you have renamed it to start with initial, both of them. Once you check back into the gallery, it has disappeared. No more folder, no more picture. You have successfully hidden the videos and then the picture. For purpose of check, if you rename it back to the default name without starting with a dot or with a full stop like this, you will definitely prove that when you go to the gallery, it will appear back. So the simple way of hiding your media files or in other files is to create the initial to start like that. Another method is to move the files into a folder that you have renamed to start with initial letter. For example, you can rename this folder called Canva. Yes, when you go to the gallery, you will find no video or photo of that kind. But if you rename or move away those files out of the hidden folder, like I've renamed, the initial is not starting with a full stop, and you get back to the gallery or photo via, you will find that these photos or videos are back into the folder called Canva. Thank you very much.